Hi friends, I'm back, and today we're going to talk about the making 10 groups that we've been practicing throughout this unit. I know you guys have really gotten familiar with the number path and number bonds, as well as 5-group pattern. And today we're going to use all of those things to help us solve some problems. As you can see on the page, we've got a picture of a mama cat. Her name is Mrs. Mittens, and she has 10 kittens that are all very hungry. Now, she went out to look for something for them to eat, and she found some mice, but she only found 6 mice. Does she have enough mice to feed all 10 of her kittens? No, of course not. She's going to need more mice. So now we're going to help Mrs. Mittens decide how many more mice she needs to feed all 10 of her kittens. Now we could do this using a number path or a 5-group drawing, or maybe just a number bond if we're familiar with those number combinations. I'm going to show you all 3 ways very quickly, and you decide which one you feel is the best one for you. All right. Well, I know that Mrs. Mittens has 6 mice. Let's see. Oh, let me just change to the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, stop the video and talk with your partner about what exactly I'm using first. Which method is this? Once you've answered Miss Pamela, you can start the video again. I hope someone said it's a 5-group pattern, because that is what I'm using first to figure out the answer to this problem. All right, I know that she had 6 mice. Now I need to decide how many more she needs to get to 10, because she doesn't have 6 kittens. She has 10 kittens. So I'm going to fill in the extra spaces with circles. Open circles, so I'll remember that they're different from the others. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, my 5-group pattern shows that Mrs. Mittens needs 4 more mice to feed her kittens. All right, let's see how I can do it with my number path. Well, I'm going to start with the number that I know I already have, 6. So we're going to start on 6. And then I want to know how many it takes to get to 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey! 4 spaces later, I've gotten to 10, just like on my 5-group drawing. So I know that 4 more mice will feed all 10 kittens. Just for fun, let's do our number bond. My whole would be 10, because I know I need 10 mice to feed all 10 kittens. And I have 6. Well, from using my number path and using my 5-group drawing, I know that the pair for 6 to get to 10 is 4. All right, friends. Now, let's talk about what would happen with a different scenario. What if Mrs. Mittens has 7 mice, and she needs to feed all 10 of her kittens? Talk with your partner about which way you want to use this time. And when you're ready, restart the video. Okay, friends, now let's see. I can use the number bond. If she has 7 mice and she needs to get to 10 mice, I know that 7 and let's see, 7 and 1, 2, 3 more make 10. So it should be 3 more, 7 and 3. Now let's use the number path. If I start at 7, how many more does it take to get to 10? 1, 2, 3. Look, I got 3 again. All right, in number path, in number 5 group drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make the other ones circles open so we remember them. 3 more. We have proven this 3 ways, so we know that Mrs. Mittens would need 3 more mice this time to feed all 10 of her kittens. Good work. All right, let's talk about our problem set of the day. Miss Kelly's got all kinds of things open, but I can get to where we need to be. All right, so this is going to be your problem set today to work on with Miss Pamela. You're going to need to put your name, of course, as always. Let's see. Name. Can I write on it? What's going on here? I could write on this the other time. Ah, there it goes. Name, Miss Kelly. Date, May 3rd, 2019. And we're ready to go. Draw dots to make 10. Fill in the number bond. You guys are experts at this. I know you're going to do a wonderful job. I already noticed that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots in the first one. So if I add 1 more, I'll get to 10. That means that 9 and 1 make 10. I notice the next one only has 1. How many more do you think it needs to get to 10? I bet you already know. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 9 make 10. All right, let's do the next row. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to add the rest to get to 10. 9, 10. How many did it take to get to 10 this time? 2. So the whole is 10. And we know that 2. And do you remember how many the black ones were? Yes, 8. 2 and 8 make 10. Perfect. I'm noticing a pattern. Are you noticing a pattern? Because in the next problem, I see 2. So how many white circles will I need to finish this one, do you think? Tell your neighbor and then start the video again. All right, let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's see how many we added. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you guess 8? I thought so. You're right. 8 and 2 make 10, just like on the last one. All right, last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet you didn't even have to count because you know that in 5 group drawings, the top row is always 5. All right, what do you think goes on the bottom? 5, of course, because 5 and 5 make 10. But just to check, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work, friends. All right, this is what you're doing today. If you finish this side early, you may go on to the back and finish the back. And of course, if you finish everything, you turn it into the turn-in bin and you read quietly while the rest of your friends finish their work. Thank you so much for being good listeners and working hard for Miss Pamela today. I miss you guys terribly, and I will see you when I get back. Lots of love.